Look, this is the moment of a volcanic eruption. Do you know that? Why do volcanoes erupt? Is the earth angry, or is it just breathing? Under the surface, there is hot magma everywhere. When magma pushes up, it will keep looking for an exit. When the pressure increases, the moment it finds a crack, the magma bursts out. The exit is the volcano. Volcanoes are where the earth releases pressure. Have you ever seen a volcano eruption up close? At the end of the film, I'll take you to witness that moment. The true power of the earth. At that moment, magma burst out. With a temperature over, the earth shook and the world was rewritten. But when everything cools down, volcanic ash becomes the most fertile soil. New life will appear again. Volcanoes destroy and create. Now, let's enjoy the most wonderful moments of a volcano.